Welcome to the kitchen. Today we are making traditional German Rouladen.
Flattening the beef helps it cook evenly and absorb flavor.
Mustard is the key flavor base for authentic rouladen. This classic combination of bacon, onions, and pickles brings the perfect balance of saltiness, sweetness, and acidity to the dish. Roll the beef tightly like this. It's crucial for keeping the filling inside during cooking. Browning the rouladen is essential. This is exactly what builds that rich, deep flavor foundation for the dish. These ingredients will form the foundation of a deep, rich, and savory sauce. Slow cooking makes the beef tender and allows flavors to fully develop.
Tender, flavorful, and comforting.